choose the correct option for graphical representation of Boyle's law, which shows graph of pressure versus volume of a gas at different temperature. Boyle's law states that for a given mass of gas at constant temperature, the pressure of the gas is inversely proportional to its volume. Mathematically, this can be expressed as P varies 1 by V, where T temperature is constant. This means that if the volume increases, the pressure will decrease. If volume decreases, the pressure will increase, where temperature remains constant. Now, ideal gas equation, we can write it PV equal to nRT, where P is pressure, V is volume, N number of moles of gas, R universal gas constant, where R equal to 8.314 joule per mole dot Kelvin. T temperature. For Boyle's law, we keep N and T constant, which means nRT is also a constant value. That means PV equal to constants. That means P varies 1 by V, where P is pressure and V is volume. Now, when plotting pressure against volume for a gas at constant temperature, the graph will be a hyperbolic. This is because as volume increases, pressure decreases, creating a curve that approaches the axis but never touches them. The hyperbolic graph will be like this. Y-axis will be P and x-axis will represent V. If now we look at the pressure versus volume graph at different temperature, for a fixed volume, as temperature increases, the pressure also increases too. Thus, the curve of different temperature will not only be hyperbolic but will also show that higher temperature corresponding to higher pressure at the same volume. Because if V is fixed, temperature will increase, kinetic energy will increase too. If kinetic energy will increase in closed vessel, it will generate more pressure because it will collide in vessels. That means when temperature will increase, pressure will increase too. Therefore, graph will be like P varies T, where P is pressure and T is temperature. Now, from given equation, 2 and 3 never can be answer because it not presenting hyperbolic graph. Now we have to find answer between 1 and 4. In fixed volume, we will get corresponding pressure because if we get that if temperature is increasing, pressure will increase too. In one it's showing 600 Kelvin pressure is less, 400 Kelvin pressure is little bit higher, and 200 Kelvin pressure is highest, which never can be answered. In 4, 200 Kelvin pressure is least, 400 Kelvin pressure is little bit higher, and 600 Kelvin pressure is highest. Therefore, 4 will be answered.